Hi friends, today I will explain you how to use goalseek command in MS Excel, and I believe this trick will save your time in such complex calculation. So here I am taking an example. The material cost per unit is 50 rupees, okay, and I have purchased 358 units, so my total purchase cost become 17,900. That is material purchase cost per unit multiplied by total unit purchase, that is 15 into 358 is equal to 17,900. Now if someone asks that he want to purchase of amount 20,000, so how much unit I need to purchase? So here we can easily give you the answer by mathematical logic. We will divide 20,000 divided by 50 is equal to 400 unit. But now we will use goalseek for this calculation. For that we will go to the data tab and select what if analysis. Under that I will select goalseek. Okay, now this window will appear here in the set cell. Select the cell where you want your desired value. Okay, then click on next tab. Here you need to select your desired in output. In this example we need 20,000. okay, so now in next step we will select the cell where we need to change the input to get desired output. Now you can see the result 20,000. Now let us make this example little complex. Now I am going to sell the material at the rate of 60 per unit. Okay, so my total sale became 21,480, and here my profit became 3,580. Now here I have been asked to calculate total unit need to sell to get 5,000 profit. Means I need 5,000 profit. So how much unit I need to sell? So here I am again using the goalseek function to get desired output. Here you will get answer. Okay, we need to sell 500 units to get 5,000 profit. Hope you enjoy this video. Then please do like and subscribe my channel.